We're live.
We're live. Still not sure about your microphone placement, Doug. This video is about us installing a Volkswagen Transporter awning rail. The Volkswagen Transporter awning rail that Stitches and Steel make is a 3-sectioned aluminium track that allows you to drag an awning rail into the side of your van. It fits Volkswagen Transporters from 2003 to 2025, maybe 26. We're gonna go grab one from the shelf. It's one of our better sellers, and we're gonna then install it on this van. And then if you've got any questions, hopefully this video will do a good job of clearing up and debunking any FAQs you might have. Follow me. This is a tube.
Oh yeah.
We're not actually going to take that over to the bench because you can see one there, but that's where you're going to get sent. What's inside that sucker is actually you get one of these cool little Stitches and Steel decals. One of these decals is in the tube because you'll need to stick it on your van. And then get up onto your van and then you undo. If you've got a short wheelbase van, you've got 4 blanking bolts. If you've got a long wheelbase van, it's 5. I've taken 4 out because this is a short wheelbase van. Inside the tube, you get your lovely little sticker. You get 10 upgraded blanking bolts. Now these little suckers are strong and aren't going to be a neoprene washer, zinc plated steel. Strong, hardy, sexy, just what you need to install fun shit on the roof of your vehicle. Here are the 3 sections of aluminium. These suckers, when lined end on end, are 2 meters 60 long. Don't quote me on that. Something like that. Basically, we put them on the top of the van and then you can stick any awning on the top you choose. The foot we've designed deliberately that it works perfectly with roof bars as well, and it doesn't take up too much room in the gutter of the vehicle. Here we go. The first section of your rail, well actually, I'm gonna quickly rewind. Remember you took off the rubber washers on the bottom of these doodahs? Grab your 4 washers and put them on the holes.
Double up.
Because we don't want water getting in them, isn't that right, Doug?
Yeah.
No ma'am, no water, please. Then we grab these 4, very strong, lovely bolts. Usually we'd put a roof bar. 99% of the vans that we have in here have got roof bars attached. With like the lower vehicles, we tend to just put one at the front and one there. Off-roadier ones like that one outside gets 1. We put all 4 on, but that's for another day. First section has got a little doodah here. See that? We've got 3 of our sections now. They are on the van, lined up, and then we get these little suckers, and you've got your washer here. This boy goes over the top like that, and then you simply screw that sucker in there like that. Then you get to this area, and you might be thinking, hang on, what's going on here? Don't panic, you'd be surprised how well this works and how well your awning will thread through the gap. Wholly satisfying? And that's running straight through there.
So the gap's fine, is it?
The gap is fine. You might look at it and be like, that doesn't work. I'm telling you. I'll stack over there. So Josh, how well does it work? I reckon that was 5 minutes of us talking shit. I reckon it would be 3 minutes of professional install if you weren't talking absolute rubbish to me the whole time. Volkswagen T5, T6, awning rail, easy to install, comes with upgraded blanking bolts. It's on the website. Subscribe, comment, get it done. TikTok, oh yeah, TikTok now, we're on TikTok.